All right, so I think we're recording. Let's take a look here. They're wanting us to divide these two expressions. So again, I don't have an equation. I'm not solving for anything. I'm just simplifying this expression through the operation of division. Now, we could do it long division. However, since the coefficient in front of this variable is 1, and since the exponent is 1, we're allowed to use synthetic division. So in the denominator here, now this also could be written, and most of the time in our homeworks, I just noticed that this problem would be rewritten 3r to the fourth minus 5r cubed minus 3r squared plus 4r minus 6. And instead of this fraction bar, you have your division symbol and then r minus 2. So two different ways to ask for the same thing. All right, so with synthetic division, we look to our divisor and we take the opposite of this. So and generally we put this in some type of a box or in some way through symbols, just separate this number from the other numbers I'm going to write. We make sure that there's no common factor and that our exponents are in descending order. We've got 3, -5, -3, 4, and -6. Leave ourselves a little bit of space here because we're going to be writing underneath most of these numbers. The first number always comes straight down. And that first number is going to help us in writing the numbers underneath here. We take this number that's below the line and we multiply it times the number in the box. We write the result underneath the next one, and then we add these numbers together. And we do that same process. If the number is below the line, we multiply it times the number in the box and write it underneath the next number. Add these together, and that process is repetitive. -1 is below the line. We multiply it by the number in the box, write it underneath here, add these numbers together. So you just continue doing that until you've gone all the way through your numbers until you get to the last here. And this is our remainder. So these are the coefficients. And when we look at the original problem here, the exponent was 4. So this first number here is going to start out with an exponent 1 less than that. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then it goes plus. You can put the 1 here if you want, or some people just put r squared. Either way is fine. Then minus, and again, you can put the 1 there if you want. Then plus 2. And then minus, and here we want to write this as a fraction, and our denominator is always this divisor, this original denominator, r minus 2. So that's what we get when we divide this. Is that among our choices? And there it is, the last one there, choice D. And I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.